In 1934, a radical new political movement emerged in Ireland that would shake the foundations of Republican politics. At its heart was Frank Ryan, a charismatic journalist and IRA activist who believed the fight for Irish freedom couldn't be separated from the fight for workers' rights. This is the story of the Republican Congress and the man who tried to forge a new path for Irish republicanism. Born in County Limerick in 1902, he studied Celtic studies at University College Dublin, where he joined the IRA training corps. By 1922, he was fighting in the Irish Civil War on the anti-treaty side. After being wounded and imprisoned, Ryan returned to university, winning medals for Irish language oratory, and forming the University Republican Club. After graduation, Ryan became a journalist and editor, taking over the Republican newspaper and Foblacht in 1929. Under his leadership, the paper evolved into a vibrant political publication, significantly increasing its readership. But he was about to embark on his most ambitious project yet. By 1933, Ryan had come under the influence of Peadar O'Donnell, who advocated for socialism within the Irish Republican movement. Together with George Gilmore, they proposed something radical, a new organization called the Republican Congress. Their vision was clear: to create a mass revolutionary movement that would unite workers, small farmers, and Republicans in a common cause. The idea was controversial. When they brought their proposal to an IRA Army convention, they narrowly failed to gain approval. The IRA leadership wasn't ready for this leftward turn. When Ryan, O'Donnell, and Gilmore pushed ahead anyway, holding meetings to promote the Congress, the IRA Army Council court-martialed all three of them. IRA volunteers who supported the Congress were stood down. But they refused to back down. In April 1934, they formally founded the Republican Congress at a meeting in Athlone, with Ryan becoming editor of its newspaper. The movement sought to be a united front for all Irish Republicans, offering an alternative to both the conservative IRA leadership and the government they opposed. Tragically, the Republican Congress would tear itself apart within months. A bitter ideological dispute erupted over whether the Congress should be a broad united front, or a vanguard party led by communists. At a disastrous meeting in Dublin in September 1934, the vote went in favor of the united front concept. Still, those favoring a vanguard party immediately resigned en masse and walked out. The Congress never recovered from this split. By 1936, it had become defunct. Ryan would go on to lead Irish volunteers in the Spanish Civil War. But the dream of uniting Ireland's left under one Republican banner had died. The Republican Congress was a brief but fascinating experiment in Irish politics, an attempt to merge nationalism with socialism, to convince Republicans that the fight for independence had to include economic justice. Ryan's vision was ahead of its time, and though the Congress failed, it raised questions about Irish republicanism that remain relevant today. What does it mean to fight for freedom? And freedom for whom? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please share, like and subscribe for more videos exploring Irish radical history and the hidden stories behind the headlines.